This isn't just any baked potato. This one has short ribs. If we're gonna make manly baked potatoes, we're gonna put beef in them, short ribs, and we're gonna season them up first with salt and lots of black pepper. I prefer olive oil, and I always brown with a few cloves of garlic. I want the garlic to infuse into the beef. We want browning like that on all sides. Those look amazing, but we're not gonna need all that grease. We are gonna need some of it for the gravy later though. So I'll start making that roux now. Carrots and shallots, whole cremini mushrooms, make a spot for some tomato paste. Oh yeah. You gotta deglaze short ribs with red wine. You just got to. Beef broth, and to make that gravy extra rich, oyster sauce and dark soy is gonna make it really dark. See how it got dark so quick? That's what you want. Parchment to keep all that juice in, and a lid. Those gotta go in the oven to get tender. There's a lot of stuff going in these. Start with big potatoes, rubbed in olive oil and salt. An hour in, halfway through cooking the ribs, time to add the potatoes. We're trying to get the timing right. Look at those. Yeah, I think they're tender, don't you? Set them aside. These are gonna be f***ing good. Keep those mushrooms too. You want those. But the veggies can go. And we can strain that sauce right into the roux we made earlier. But be sure to press all that out. There's flavor there. That's gonna be good for the gravy. That's gonna be good. But we still need a cheese sauce. So we gotta make another roux, this time with butter. Shallots, whole milk. You made a cheese sauce before. You know what you're doing. The base cheese is mild cheddar. You don't buy that pre-shredded crap, right? Good for you. Processed cheese, the chemical crap they put in that processed cheese will help keep your sauce from breaking. I don't know why, it just works. See the sauce? See how creamy? Processed cheese. Now this cheese sauce needs flavor in the way of gruyere. Cheese sauce always gets nutmeg. That's gonna be right. That's really gonna be good. Get some macaroni. That would make some f***ing excellent mac and cheese too. The build goes potato. Make the sign of the cross. 4 fingers, 4 corners, and press. Revealing that beautiful potato. Oh yeah. I like to lay a base of that gravy. A short rib. A couple of mushrooms, because we have them. A little more gravy. Now the cheese sauce. Loaded baked potatoes get broccoli, sour cream, chives. I never understood why they put bacon into bits. They have slices. Why make bits? F***ing ridiculous.
This is like a gooey, ooey comfort meal. It's so good. I love it. Oh my God, that cheese sauce. All these sauces.
Loaded.
Oh, that meat. You ruined me for baked potatoes for life.
That's the best baked potato I ever had.
All that together is f***ing amazing.